Everyone falls in love with the look of their new floor, but when you use wax or guard coats, you start losing that beauty within months. Winter hurts your floor. Salt and sand hurt your floor. Shopping carts and pallet jacks make things worse. And the continual cycle of waxing and stripping drains your budget and leaves your floors looking worse every day. Simix ceramic floor coating is a penetrating densifier that creates a super hard protective clear coat. We lock in the beauty of your floor. With Simix, you will never strip again. You will eliminate daily burnishing. Your floors will look better with less work. Simix is far less expensive than using guard coats or acrylic floor finish. Simix is easy to apply. No special training is required. Anyone can do it. And we make it easier to clean up spills and repair damaged areas in the normal course of cleaning. With Simix, you can be sure that your floors will look great every day, year-round. Contact us today to find out how we can save you time and money.